Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.2 question number 2. Use number line and add the following integers. Right? We have taken a number line here, that is 0. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, and this direction will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this section -1, -2, this is -3, and this is -4. Right? Now 9 plus -6. First you will take 9. From here you have to take 9. 9 is here. That means we have to go from 0 to 9. Right? Now -6. Plus means in this direction. If plus is in this direction on the right side, then minus will be on the left side. -6. That means you have to count 6. Right? From here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Then in question A, we are getting 3. Right? Or you can say it plus 3. Answer A is plus 3. Plus 3 is the answer. Right? This is the answer. Right? Now we'll do question number B. In question number B, now we'll draw another question. Question number B, another line we'll draw. That means we'll rub this one. Right? We'll rubbing this one. Now question number B. Question number is 5 plus minus 11. Let us take another number line, that is 5 plus minus 11. This is a number line. This is another number line. This is another number line. Now question B is 5 plus minus 11. Therefore we will get here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here minus 11 you have to take. That means you have to extend this number also. Extend this number line. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11. Right? You have to extend this number. This is -1. This is -2. This is -3. This is -4. This is -5. This is -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11. Right? Now you see 5 plus -11. 5, first you take 5, that is from 0 you will get here, that is 5. Right? Plus -11 means in the left direction if you count 11, that is from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? The answer is minus 6. Answer is minus 6. In question B, the answer is minus 6. This is the answer. Right? Now again we are repeating once again. That is, first you have to take 5, that is from here you will get 5. After that minus 11 means left, on the left direction you have to count 11. Right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore the answer is minus 6. Right? Now we will solve question number C. Now we will solve question number C. Let us solve question number C. Right? Now question number C is question number C. Now here it is a number line. It is a number line. Right? Now question number C, minus 1 plus minus 7. That is, here we have taken 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 1. This is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. Now question number C. We are doing question number C. Question number C is minus 1 plus minus 7. Minus 1 means that is on the left side, right? From here we are taking minus 1, that is 0 to minus 1, that is this one, right? And minus 7, that is in the 7 numbers in the left side. Minus means on the left side, right? 7. Count from here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Therefore the answer is minus 8. Minus 8. This is the answer. Right? Again, once again we are repeating question number C, that is minus 1 plus minus 7. Minus means on the left side we have taken 0 to minus 1 here. Right? And minus 7 means left side 7 numbers, 7. And from here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore the answer is minus 8. Now we will solve question number D. Question number D is question number D. Question number D is, again we are making another number line. Now question number D. Question number D. We will solve this problem also. Minus 5 plus 10. Right? That is, from here we will count 0. Here this is a number line. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the arrow. This is the arrow, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. And this one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right? Now question number D is minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 means left side, right? Minus 5 means from 0, minus 5 will get here. From minus 5 means this is minus 5. right? Minus 5 plus 10. That means you have to count 10 on the right side. 10. Then we have to count from here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the number is 5, right? Therefore, the answer is 5. This is the answer. This is the answer, right? There is minus 5. Once again, we are repeating. First, you go to minus 5. That is from 0, you go to minus 5. Plus 10. Plus 10 means on the right side, you have to go 10, right? That from here, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, the answer is 5. 5 is the answer. This is question number D. Now, we'll solve question number E. We'll solve question number E. Now, question number E is, this is, now question number E, we have made a number line. This is a number line. Let us take this one. That is, let us take this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and this is minus 7. Now, minus 1. First, you have to go from 0 to minus 1. That is on the left side. Minus 1. After that, minus 2. That means on the left side, you have to go 2 places. That is 2 places. 1, 2. Right? From there, you have to go, right? From minus 1 means from 0 to 1. Then 2 places. 1, 2. And then 3. 3 places. Right? 3 places, right? From here we go 3 places. 1, 2, 3, right? Therefore, the answer we are getting minus 6. This is the answer. Again, we are repeating the same. Here, question number E. First, that is minus 1. Minus means you have to go on the left side. 0 to minus 1 means 1. 1 place, right? And then again minus 2. Minus means on the left side, but 2 places. From here we go 2 place. 1, 2, right? Then from here we have to go 3 places, right? From 3 places, but on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Answer is minus 6, right? This is the solution of question number E. Now do question number F, right? Question number F. Let us rub this one. Now question number F. This is a number line, right? This is a number line. Let us write 8. That means you have to go, here is the number line, right? Here it is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? Now, question number F. We are solving question number F. What is that? First, minus 2. Minus 2 means from 0 you have to go minus 2 on the left side, right? From here you go minus 2 on the left side, right? Now plus 8. From here you have to go on the right side, plus 8, right? Plus 8, right, on the right side. 8 places on the right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? We're getting here 6. Then minus 4 again on the left side. 4 places on the left side. 4 places. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, we are getting the answer as 2. Right? Therefore, the answer is 2. 2 is the answer. Now, let us find, repeat once again. Exercise 6.2, question number 2F. First, minus 2, that is, you have to go on the left side, minus 2 from 0 to minus 2. This is the minus 2. Now, plus 8, when on the right side, 8 places. From here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 6. Right? Again, minus 4 on the left side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side. That is here. The answer is 2. Right? Therefore, we have got the answer 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately.